How to generate a QR code for a page in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a QR code. So you're going to spread that QR code online for social media or any type of events for a social event, for example, and you're going to promote your Hostinger website. So it is going to be realizable with a Hostinger, a new website editor, and it is going to be just very easy. So you are going to head over your Hostinger website builder page. As you can see, we are in here. Then we are going to select the websites and make sure that we are going to select the websites lists. Now we are going to see the list of the websites that we have created. So we are going to select the Hostinger website builder and not a WordPress. So maybe you're going to get a WordPress and a Hostinger website. Select always the Hostinger one because we are going to use only the Hostinger website builder. You're going to click on edit website and you're going to wait for the website editor to open up. Once you have set up the things in here, you're going to see everything loaded in just a few seconds. Now, what can we do about the pages in here? So basically, you are going to get the home page at first. Now, we are going to search for the page navigation. Where can we see the page navigation? We are going to head over the left side of the screen. We have the add element button, the pages and navigations, and etc. So we are going to select that. It is going to be nearly the same or having the same icon as like you have used to be on Wix. So we are going to have it in here. And then we are going to see all the pages that we have. We have the shop, the all products, the new collections, sustainabilities. And as you can see, these are going to be the pages or the elements for that specific header and the contact page and etc. Now, what can we do or how can we set up the QR code or create it? You're going to select the, let's say, the chosen page or the page of the choice that you want to have the QR code for. So I'm going to choose a page that do not have a diversification for other pages or so the elements. For example, we are going to ignore the shop because it is going to have a drop-down menu and this type of pages could not be creating a, let's say, QR code. Why? Because they are going to have some underneath elements. But you can, in the meanwhile, create some QR codes for the sub-menus that we have on that. So I'm going to let you see here the difference. When you click on the shop, normally you are going to click on the gear icon to have the menu for creating a QR code. You're going to see here a short menu. You can only rename it, hide it from the navigation, or delete it. But if I go to the sub menu in here, which is going to be all the products, which will have a link, you're going to see that we have a large menu. And also, we have the option to create a QR code. So this is going to be available for basically all the menu items except those who have a submenu. So you are going to see that here, and there. So when you click on contacts, for example, about, or whatever. So let's promote our shop by getting all the products link. So we are going to click on the gear icon, click on create here, QR code, then we are going to publish our website. So I'm going to publish my website first. That is going to be crucial. Now, what we're going to do is to head over here, click on create code, publish your and connect domain to activate your QR code. Basically, we do not have a domain connected, so it is okay. So I have already set up the domain of that specific website. So we should normally see the parameters that are going on. So we have here, let's say, or repeat the process. We are going to click on settings, click on create QR code, and normally you are going to get this window. So you are going to have a background for your QR code. You can add or change the background color, the pattern color, and also the link too. So you can change from these, as you can see, links or different pages that we have. The format is going to be either a PNG or an SVG. When you finish that, you're going to click on download. It is going to be just like that. We're going to open it, and here we have it. So I'm going to add a background to it. I'm going to have it with the white background, so it is going to make something easy to scan. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.